Imagine there is an AI tool which is so demanding, and the company put a limitation there. If you want to have access to it, you need to have an invitation code, and these codes are so rare, so they are being sold in secondary markets for $1,000. But I have one of these codes and I want to test this AI tool. So let's do it together. Before we start, I need you to know what is Manus AI. It's not another chatbot like GPT or Cloudy. It's a AI agent, which means it can accept tasks for you and do it. So it can run a virtual machine, it can write code, it can go to the internet, research something and understand what you're asking about. It can execute that code and it can deploy the website. It can also read from the file, it can generate files, so it can do a lot of things. And the thing is, we need to really test it to see what they claim is true or not, because dude, if it's like that crazy, then maybe some of us are going to lose our job. I mean, why my boss need to pay me if there is a tool that can do the same thing that I'm doing today? So let's go and see how it is, how it will work. Yeah. So here is the first challenge for the Manus AI. In this case, I am resembling to be a startup founder who has done no research, no design ideas, but he have an idea, and the idea is to create a product that helps students to have more productivity. And let's go and see how does it do it. I ask it to do a research and also prepare a website for us and deploy the website. So now he's done with the research phase, and now based on his research, he identified that the students struggle with focus management, time organization, and information overload, and maintain mental well-being. So he wants to bring some solutions to those problems. I will now move on to identifying the most valuable features for our students focus app. So all in all, it has some really good features. It is bringing some features for you to help you with focus management, like using some effective techniques like Pomodoro, and task management, like help you to track your deadline and also visualize the tasks in a board, which is really something cool. And also for time management, it being a smart calendar integration, time blocking, and yeah, and also for mental well-being, it has a lot of cool things like it makes sure you are keeping a study life balance and you're not going to uh, rest a lot or study a lot. So, and also it has mindfulness moments, so some short guided meditations, a stress tracker, achievement celebrations. Um, Then it has some learning enhancement tools like flashcard. It does flashcard generation for you, and also some smart notes, AI assisted note generation. It's like super cool, dude. If they are putting them all in one application, I'm going to personally download that app, really. So all in all, very good features. Then it says Focus Flow is the name of app, and the marketing content includes a compelling headline, focus flow, reclaim your concentration, evaluate your grades. Nice. An engaging tagline, where focus meets success. So all in all, it's doing a lot of cool things. Website design. So as you can see, it's about the website design, like the colors that is going to use, the typography. Yeah, it has some cool stuff, guys. Really, I'm amazed so far. Um, then Yeah, from to do you can see it did the research phase, feature identification, content creation, website design, and now it's in the website deployment phase. So it's going to create the code and I guess test the website functionality. Last step to deploy the website, allow Manus to deploy the application to the public network. Yes, sure, why not? No way. No way. So this is our website. Focus flow. Reclaim your concentration. Evaluate your grades in a world of endless digital distraction and mounting academic pressure. So as you can see, guys, it has a cool header, and then it is saying what challenges the students have today. So it's actually introducing the problem, saying like poor time management, mental burnout, task overload. See, it's bringing some numbers. It means it did a research. It's not like it is putting them out of nowhere. It put for us the sources that he was looking into, right? So what is the solution? Then it says here it's our solution, and dude, it is crazy. Here is the core features that we discussed, how it works, set up your courses, activate focus mode, track and improve. And here it has also some comments from some clients. Dude, this is crazy. And okay, but there is no app. Yeah, there is no app. Okay, yeah. So he didn't design the application for us. But still it was nice, but as you can see, guys, it is still needs time to get better. Okay. So guys, as you can see, it created the website for us, but the website doesn't have like the real application. Now I want to challenge it and ask it to create for us the web application that contains the features that it mentioned. Let's see if it can do it or not. So really, guys, if it can do it, then it would be crazy because it had some good idea. It put things okay together, but so far it didn't show me something that I say, oh, it's crazy. I mean, so far it was like the tasks, the things that I can do using Cloudy and GPT, and you know what I'm saying. I mean, it's not bringing a real unique value. I mean, still I can do it. Yeah, it's saving my time. It's something very cool, but it's not that revolutionary tool that everyone were talking about. So let's see if it can do this application, then it would be like mind blowing for me. Yeah, the application requirements, what it needs to do. Then it is creating the architecture. So dude, it is getting crazy. It is using a React frontend, an Express API backend, and a MongoDB database. It is defining what components does it have. It is putting like key frontend module, authentication module, focus management module, task management, time management, well-being module. So it's actually dividing features into modules. And yeah, that's the front end part. Let's take a look into the backend part. Yeah, it is doing something similar for the backend. So far so good, right? Then I've completed initial planning and design phase. Then as you can see, guys, it is moving to a directory. Then it is doing npm init, so it's preparing its environment. It is installing React and also some dependencies, so it can build the front-end application. Then it is installing the Express, which is going to be the backend framework that we are going to use. Um, it would be interesting also test if it can create a backend with other frameworks. Like, for example, can I say to write for us with Spring Boot? I mean, dude, it's crazy. It's going to have a database. So, I mean, it's like crazy. I really didn't expect to see something like this. So, guys, right now, as you can see, it's saying now it's ready to deploy the web application for us, and we can gain access to it through the link. But oh my god, let's see. It has errors. Let's see if it can fix it or not. Um, okay, that's something cool, right? It do the code, it writes some tests, then it tries to deploy, then it see there is an issue in the code, then it tries to fix that issue and deploy again. But you should see if it can resolve the issue and deploy it for us or not. It has an issue. It has an issue. Oh my god, it's going to take like forever. Wait, guys, wait, guys. It seems it worked. Yes, I want. At least it built the application successfully and now it's deploying it for us. Like I'm super excited. Really, I want to see the results. I've been waiting here like forever. And I really want to know what is the output. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the what the hell? What the fuck is that? What the We've been waiting so long for this shit. I mean, it's not working. It's saying login failed. But you see, guys, I'm putting the correct username and correct password. So, guys, I don't know. Doesn't seem to be working. So, guys, as you can see, we waited so long and it couldn't do what we were expecting to. Then I would say, at least for now, our jobs are safe. So we can be happy about that. But I can say this tool is another marketing. At least it doesn't seem to be that smart. It seemed to be a tool that can, yeah, use the other AIs, automate some stuff, but not like, the revolutionary AI agent that is super smart and that can do everything. It's not that tool. So we are still away from that point. Still, I do believe this year would be a very important year for AI agents. I guess they have been many investment in that part, and I think this year we would see some really good AI agent tools like Manus AI. And yeah, I mean, all in all, it's interesting. I also try to cover the other tools that are out in the market, or at least when they are out, I try to test them and give you an honest opinion. Also, I have another video on this topic. You can check, it's here. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you a lot for your time.
Follow, like, subscribe, don't be shy. Click that like, make my ego high. Share this stuff, help me get famous, or blame it all on artists.